Posterior view of heart. Two surfaces are seen chiefly on posterior view of heart. Base of heart, inferior surface or diaphragmatic surface. Base of heart is contributed by left atrium, right atrium. Inferior surface or diaphragmatic surface is contributed by left ventricle, right ventricle. Both the ventricles sit on central tendon of diaphragm. Posterior interventricular artery. It runs in posterior interventricular groove. PICA is usually branch of right coronary artery. It supplies a posterior one-third of interventricular septum. Vessels running in posterior interventricular groove. Posterior interventricular artery. Middle cardiac vein. Two surfaces are chiefly seen on posterior view of heart. Base of heart, inferior surface or diaphragmatic surface. Base of heart is contributed by left atrium or right atrium. Inferior surface or diaphragmatic surface is contributed by left ventricle, right ventricle. Posterior interventricular artery. It runs in posterior interventricular groove. Right coronary artery. Vessels running in posterior interventricular groove. Anterior two-thirds of interventricular septum is supplied by anterior interventricular artery, which is running in anterior interventricular groove. Middle cardiac vein drains into coronary sinus. Coronary sinus, it lies in coronary sulcus on posterior side of heart. It drains into posterior smooth part of right atrium. Tributaries of coronary sinus: small cardiac vein, great cardiac vein, middle cardiac vein. Small cardiac vein, great cardiac vein, middle cardiac vein. Arterial supply of heart. Both right and left coronary artery are branch of ascending aorta. Right coronary artery, it is a branch of ascending aorta. It runs in right coronary sulcus anteriorly as well as posteriorly. Branches of right coronary artery: SCA nodal artery, AV nodal artery, posterior interventricular artery. SCA nodal artery, AV nodal artery, posterior interventricular artery. PIVA is given by right coronary artery posteriorly in posterior interventricular groove, and it supplies the posterior one-third of posterior interventricular septum. AV nodal artery and SCA nodal artery are usually branches of right coronary artery, but they may come from left coronary artery in some population. PIVA determines the cardiac dominance. 65% of human population has right cardiac dominance. 10% of human population have left cardiac dominance. 25% of human population has codominance. Left coronary artery. LCA is a branch of ascending aorta. Branches of LCA: left anterior descending artery, anterior interventricular artery, circumflex artery, LAD artery or anterior interventricular artery. It is a branch of left coronary artery. It runs in anterior interventricular groove. It supplies anterior two-thirds of anterior interventricular septum. It also partly supplies the anterior wall of right and left ventricle. Circumflex artery, it goes around the heart in left coronary sulcus artery, left coronary sulcus posteriorly. It supplies lateral surface of left ventricle. As the circumflex artery goes posteriorly in 10% population, it may give PIVA. Therefore, if circumflex artery branch of LCA gives PIVA in 10% population, this establishes left cardiac dominance. Conducting system of heart. Blood supply of conducting system. Structures supplied by right coronary artery. Proximal part of conducting system. Distal part of conducting system. Distal part of conducting system is left coronary artery. Proximal part of conducting system is right coronary artery. Atrioventricular bundle of His. Right bundle branch, left bundle branch. AV bundle of His has dual blood supply. It is supplied by AIVA, major supply. RCA, partly supplies bundle of His. Triple vessel disease. Triple vessel disease blocks three vessels together. They are left anterior descending artery, right coronary artery, left circumflex artery. Relative incidence of block in individual artery. LED 50%, RCA 30%, LCX 20%.